Hi, welcome back to Antai Hospitals YouTube channel, and today's video discussion is about our HPV medication Antai or anti-liquid, which is very effective for all forms of HPV infections, including CIN 1, 2, 3, all the way until precarcinoma. HPV infections are incredibly common nowadays, and they tend to form genital warts, lesions in affected regions, and there seems to be no effective treatment. But Antai Hospital now offers you effective treatment here at the hospital. So we've been getting a lot of traction, a lot of inquiries, but one of the most common questions that we are getting about this is that can we deliver this anti-liquid, this anti-Ye directly to patients overseas? Do we physically need to be present in the hospital? And to answer that question, yes, you have no other choice but to come to Antai Hospital, because you cannot simply administer yourself this medication. You will need trained personnel, and we are talking about doctors and nurses to actually do this for you. You're unable to do it yourself, and it really comes in with experience as well. Let's say we do offer you this medication, and if you bring it to any other doctor of your choice, they might not even know what to do, because this is a in-house proprietary medication. So only our personnel, our trained doctors and nurses, only they know what to do. And remember, it ties in with experience. Whether or not you can observe these lesions, these infected regions, if you cannot see them, your doctor may not be able to see them, but our trained professionals, our doctors and nurses, they will clearly identify with their years of experience and expertise. And that's how we offer patients with full refund guarantee. This disease is slowly climbing over the years as a silent killer, and it is a primary cause for cervical cancers and also other forms of cancer in males as well, including cancers of the anus, penile cancers, even esophageal cancers as well. These are all growing amounts of cancers because there's a lack of proper treatment out there. Many doctors will tell you to just let it be, because over time your immune system will clear it off. But with today's society, many patients, many people are under immense amounts of stress, environmental factors, lifestyle factors that are unable to be changed dramatically. It will inevitably lead to a rise in these sorts of cases. HPV infections is more common than ever, and HPV induced cancers are more common than ever. So even though we do have preventive measures, which is HPV vaccine, there's still a lack of proper treatment until the presence of Antai-Ye, which is our treatment. We've seen the demand in this area, and then we have already formulated our own effective medication. This medication is in the midst of acquiring patents, and it is so effective that we offer full refund guarantee. So patients, you yourself can observe the results, the outcome of your treatment. You are guaranteed to recover within 6 months, regardless of your HPV infection severity, from a basic infection all the way until CIN 3. Both ends of the spectrum comes with this equal guarantee. And within 6 months, you can go for any other inspection, diagnosis. You will see that these warts are no longer present, infected regions are no longer infected, they are all recovered, and your HPV test comes out negative. That's the most important thing. And then the next step to protect you from future infections is to go for HPV vaccinations again, regardless if you've already been infected, to boost your antibodies, and then you can prevent future infections. But if you do get infected, you can come back at any time for our medication. Remember, it comes with a money back guarantee. No other medication or treatment or pills that says they can cure HPV, but none of them can guarantee you. None of them can give you this money back guarantee. Only Antai Hospital. So if you are interested in our treatment, if you'd like to make arrangements, please get in touch with us. HPV screening is very important. Please remember to get vaccinated. And if you are infected, you can easily come to Antai Hospital for a quick course of treatment and enjoy the benefits of full recovery. Please stay tuned to the next video and leave me some comments down below as well.